Right now we're looking at the Forest River boat launch, and got some tensioning wires that are a little loose. Right now we're looking at Cicero Road and the entrance to Forest Park. Now we're actually looking inside of Forest Park, and Riverwalk Trail runs along the woods edge over there. Some large sycamores along the river here. Some of the infrastructure is still holding up. Power line's about 10 feet above the water. We're about 300 yards from the northwest of the center of White River currently. And we're still a couple feet deep all around. That lamp there is every bit of 12 foot tall, and it's halfway in the water there. Still looking at the back of the Kroger.